Hello guys, this is Shivam. In today's video, I am going to show you an application which is called as Flooring Point uh, Options, which I have created using the SharePoint as my connector. And so I will show you what the overview of this application. So we have the list of items available for the flooring as the flooring options, which there are list of items which we can see. If we want to see the details of any item, we just need to click on that item to view the item details, and it will show you the details about the item like title of the item, category of the item, price of the item, image of the item, and overview of the item. These details are available in each and every items. If we want to change the details of that item, we just need to click on this pencil icon, and we will mm, reach on a new page in which we can update anything like we can update the title, we can update the category, we can update the price, or we can update the image, or we can update the overview of the item also. Anything which we want to update, we can update it here. Like I'm going to update the price of that item to 99 from 9.99. I just need to update the item price and just need to click on that button to save this details, and it will be saved. There is the problem. Okay, I will try again, and it will be updated. Like we have gone here, and after click on this save button, it will be updated. It has been updated. Like we have the now price of 99. If we want to delete any item, like from this plus button, you can add new item. Like title, you can add any. We can mention floor, category, we can add it as paint, we can add the price which we want, image, we have no options to update the image from here, overview about the item, like we need to update the detail, and we just need to click the save button, and the item will be updated here. We have that item here in the last, which we have the floor. Like we have click on this and we will get the details. To delete this item, we just need to click on the delete button, and the item will be deleted from our list. After click on delete, it has been deleted. If we want to search the item like carpet, as I have entered CA, it has searched all the items which have the carpet. Okay, now let's have a look on the items which I have used in this. Like firstly, I have used a gallery. In that gallery, I have used some formulas for sorting the columns, searching the items. Both are the formulas are applied here. For plus, I have used a new form. For refresh, I have update the option to update. For refresh, I have the refresh button. In the edit screen, I have used a form here. I have used a detail form, which we can say that as display form, to show the display details about the items. And in the last save screen, we have the edit form in which we can edit the details of the items. That's all. Thank you everyone.